In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com AI agent. We'll set up a clean, reliable scenario that runs an AI agent inside Make with clear context and messages so you get consistent results. Start by heading to Make.com and signing into your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, open scenarios. This is your automation dashboard. Create a new scenario to open the blank canvas. This visual editor is where modules are added and connected so data can flow from one step to the next. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. Use the search bar to find Make AI Agent, then select it. When the module dialog opens, choose the action Run an Agent. This action triggers your AI agent and returns its response, which you can later route to other modules for logging, notifications, or storage as your workflow evolves. If you haven't set up an agent yet, click Create an AI Agent. The agent's configuration defines its role and guardrails. Use a concise, specific description of what the agent should do and what it should avoid. Clear instructions reduce off-topic replies and make outputs easier to reuse across different parts of your scenario. Next, establish access by clicking Create a Connection. This creates a secure link between your scenario and the AI agent service. Follow the prompts carefully, keep your credentials private, and confirm the connection when it succeeds. Click Save to lock in that connection and return to the module settings. Provide a thread ID. A thread acts like a conversation container. Reusing the same thread ID preserves context between runs, while a new ID starts a fresh conversation. Choose a naming convention that fits your use case, for example, aligning threads with a specific ticket, order number, or user session so you can trace interactions later. You can also enable mapping for the message field. Mapping lets you type a message directly or pass dynamic text from earlier modules. Even for quick tests, write a short, precise message that states the goal, any constraints, and the desired format or tone. Being explicit here improves reliability and makes downstream automation easier, especially if you plan to pass or forward the AI's response. When everything looks good, click Save. Your module is now configured and ready to be used within your scenario. Keep agent instructions focused, reuse thread IDs thoughtfully, and prefer structured prompts when you need predictable output. With this setup in place, you'll have a solid foundation for building scalable AI-powered workflows in Make.